Airtable or Notion? Which one of these platforms will be your dedicated CRM? At the end of the day, your customer is the most important part of your business, and without that customer, your business wouldn't exist. Today, we're going to explore both of these platforms, Airtable and Notion, and see which one you should actually be using. Let's check them out. Let's jump into Airtable now. So Airtable's visually appealing layout and flexibility really make it quite easy for pretty much anyone to manage projects as well as data without any real extensive training. It combines database functionality with spreadsheet ease, making it a super powerful tool for project tracking and team collaboration. This all happens in real time. It also facilitates real-time collaboration among team members, allowing for updates and comments directly on projects. You can also choose from a variety of customizable templates to get started quickly on specific project types or workflows without having to actually build anything from scratch. And then it offers a real wide range of integrations with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and really a whole lot more, which allows for more enhanced functionality. One or two of the drawbacks, however, with Airtable is that while it's a powerful project management tool, Airtable does lack some advanced CRM features found in some of the dedicated systems. And then as the volume of your data increases, Airtable may experience performance lags, which can be a bit of a drawback for larger organizations moving large amounts of data. Having a look at Notion now, Notion combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis in one platform, providing a comprehensive solution for a variation of needs. It really is an all-in-one solution. You can design pages and databases to meet specific requirements, which can enhance flexibility and your usability. It includes support from various media types, allowing you to really integrate images, videos, embed directly into pages, and a lot more. It supports real-time editing and collaboration, which makes it easy for you to work in a team on projects and documents, and this is all done in real time. It includes a built-in task manager dedicated directly for that to help you track projects alongside notes and databases. It's awesome. However, having a look at one or two of the drawbacks is the wealth of features can really be overwhelming. It does have a lot to learn, and it may require a bit of time to fully grasp the whole concept, maybe some support, maybe some training to really use its full potential. And then Notion's offline capabilities are also somewhat limited, which can be a bit of a drawback if you need constant access to your data and you maybe struggle with connectivity. If you're in an area that has unstable internet connection, might be a bit of a problem. Of course, you can see that both of these platforms are fantastic. However, they have been built for specific use cases and specific needs. The key takeaway here should be to go and use both of these platforms to see which one suits your specific needs and which one feels better in a real world scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and we'll see you next time.